Man, I don't even know how they get tornadoes in China, but wow. I included a couple of different views of it.
哎呀，他们挖，他全干起来了，旁边，这他家的挖。
Subscribe now or I'll send this roach to crawl on your face. Folks, listen. I would argue that this is amongst the best tornado footage I have ever seen on film. Wow. This happened in 2019 in Taiwan, China, where over 4,000 homes were demolished. This tornado that happened in 2011 in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, had a diameter of over 1 mile and 200-mile-per-hour winds.
Métanse al baño. Métanse al baño, métanse, no, métanse allá al closet, métanse al closet. Métanse al closet, Silvia. Dios mío, que Dios nos cuide, Silvia. Cama, cama. Ya estamos aquí, Silvia, está tomando todo. Viene para acá. ¡Hey, cama! ¡Hey! ¡Levanto, bájate! ¡Bájate, güey! ¡Bájate, güey!
Me hubiera metido aquí, men.
Y él me está hablando. No mames, mira lo que hizo Silvia. Está bien, Silvia, déjala, no importa, chingue su madre, no pasa nada. De ahí, sobrevivimos de ahí.
This was in Moore, Oklahoma in 2013 with 210-mile-per-hour winds, and it did over $2 billion with a B dollars in damage.
It's almost here. It's almost here. It's almost here. Look at the debris. The sound of it.
Yeah.
Another video of the Tuscaloosa tornado in 2011. Just incredible power. The tornado in Illinois was very powerful and did almost $1 billion, that's with a B, dollars in damage in about 45 minutes.
You better go downstairs, baby. You never know where it's gonna go. You got it on video, go!
This twister in Czech Republic did 15 billion with a B dollars in damage and is the widest ever in Europe with a width of over 3.5 kilometers.
Normální tornádo. Miluno. To jsi neviděl. Hej. Jak to lítá ty věci. Hej. Ty vole, to... Milunko, my taky asi přijdeme o to.
Nic si neudělám, hlavně tam nechoď.
Ježišmarja.
A Tuscaloosa twister gets up to an EF4 and does over $2 billion in damage in about an hour and a half and takes out about 60 people.
Windows, what it is. Yes, it is.
Power pole break for it. Oh my God. Look at the tornadoes coming out of it.
Holy shit. It's heading right for our apartment. Let's go take
I gotta
cover.
see it hitting the trees, man. I gotta see what it does in the trees.
It's about to bust this fucking windows. What's about to do?
If it does, if the window starts moving around, we'll get out. But I gotta see what it does in the trees.
There goes the power.
Don't you wanna know what it does in the trees? Dude, this is gonna hit us directly.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at everything flying out.
This tornado in Texas damaged 200 homes. No lives were lost, but it did major damage. A tornado in Kentucky in 2012 wreaks major havoc. There's no audio on this one, but to tell you the truth, you won't even need it. You can just feel the power. This tornado in Canton, Texas in 2017 was an EF3. Look y'all, this dang near made me need a new pair of underwear. This literally feels like a horror movie scene. Remember the Washington, Illinois tornado I was telling you about? Here's another view.
Holy shit. Alright, I gotta go. I'm coming, honey. Shit, where you at, hon? God damn, it's bad. Alright, stay down, honey. Oh, shit, Josie. Uh-oh. We're gonna get some shit here, honey.
Is this gonna save us?
I hope so, buddy. Oh my God! Okay, honey. Holy shit! Stay in. Oh man! Oh! Shit!
Don't go out there.
No, not yet.
Don't.
Oh.
Stay here.
Oh my God, Josie.
What?
Holy moly.
Man sees the tornado coming outside of his New Jersey home and goes in. Now when he comes out, things look just a little bit different, to say the least.
Holy. Holy. Oh my God.
In the rural area of Wayne, Nebraska in 2013, this EF4 tornado destroyed a bunch of homes and an airport and took out some big warehouses. Mother Nature don't play. Even though this tornado in Kokomo caused no casualties, 17,000 people were without power.
Yeah, it's right there. Yeah.
Footage of a home being shredded apart in Parkersburg, Iowa. This is insane. This made it to only an EF3, but it was still very dramatic. Check this out, y'all.
Okay. Well, there goes all the trees. Get in the bathroom.
Is this the same place right here?
Huh? Man, isn't that something?
Oh, Mom.
She's not coming home yet.
That'd be upstairs in my room.
Dang. What is that?
My room.
Your window just broke?
So that's my living room. Almost every window in the house is breaking, Dad.
Don't worry about it, son.
How you going to do one left? Dude, come here. Give it up.
They won't last long.
It was a small one.
Where's your Jeep?
Right in the wind. I don't think we have a top of it.
Ain't that something?
Something horrible, Dad. Man, think about Luke when he comes home from vacation.
Hey, Luke.
We're gonna have to go do something to the door.
Just the audio in this one is terrifying. Listen to this twister whistling. Hail to the gnaw.
Ears are popping. Ears are popping.
This is in Uruguay in the city of Dolores in April of 2016. Another tornado in Moore, Oklahoma, this time in 1999.
For example, right in here would be Southwest 74th, and this would be Southeast 79, Southwest 79, so right at 104. So this tornado is moving right up into the densely populated areas. In fact, it's in it right now. We've seen some incredible damage in the path, maybe a mile wide, maybe longer. Check with Bobby on the tornado to Okarche. Do we still have tornado to Okarche? Okay, as you look at it, this tornado is moving through parts of Newcastle and southwest Oklahoma City. Now that would be close to, circulating southwest 149th, South Meridian Avenue, South Portland. It's moving over northwest 24th Street in Newcastle. Newcastle area could be very hard hit with this particular.
A tornado in Hackleburg, Alabama in April of 2011 does over $1 billion in damage.
Holy crap. There's slopes moving.
A tornado in Quebec in 2021 is right on the path to these people, and it will not stop.
Go! Go, les transformeurs peut-être partout! Oh, tabarnak! Ah!
Can you imagine being in the building and looking outside and having to deal with this tornado?
Jocelyn!
¡Te va a dar la cola de mi carro! ¡Se quedó esta abierta!
para acá!
¡Mira!
devastating tornado in 2011 that became the deadliest, largest, and costliest tornado in the history of the Southeast. There is nothing like Mother Nature.
Now you hold on to him. Yeah. All right, we in the storm house. Yeah, I ain't never seen nothing like this. Hey, look at that boy, it's getting dark. Look here, Lord, have mercy. I ain't never seen nothing like this. Lord.
We don't have any house. We want to get back here,
It's on top of us. Yeah, get right here in this corner.
How?
Get on back here in this corner.
Back here in the corner, David.
But you don't never know what that door is.
David!
Shane, you got to ring me.
I don't listen. Oh,
It's going to strike. All of them wouldn't get that storm cellar there neither. That was right on top. I mean, get it. It's right on top of us.
It's going over. It's going down.
It's in. It's got it.
It's over. How come it took so long? I don't think it is.
This tornado happened in Alabama in 2011 and was pretty devastating, with 85-mile-per-hour winds and taking out 65 people and injuring 1,500 others.
Hey, buddy, come up here.
Is that it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. We should probably be inside right now, guys.
Washington, Illinois is a small town northeast of Peoria, which of course is where Richard Pryor is from. This tornado that occurred in 2013 is the costliest and strongest tornado in Illinois history, with almost $1 billion in damage. Most tornadoes last only a few minutes. This tornado in Illinois, in a town called Rochelle, lasted over 40 minutes and did some incredible damage with over 200-mile-an-hour winds.
Yeah, I'd say it's gonna come right over me. Let me see if I can back up here a little bit and get under the bridge. Yeah, it's coming right over. Ridiculous. Look, oh, that is scary. The truck is, oh my gosh. Holy smokes. Not lying. Oh my gosh. Woo! Look at that. I don't know. I'm not getting out to look. I'll look and see if there's any truck damage later. It actually bent the mirror backwards. Both mirrors backwards. Oh, there it is. Can't tell.
A violent tornado in East Limestone, Alabama that got up to an EF5. Man, this tornado in Moore, Oklahoma looks like something out of a Stephen King movie, doesn't it? A tornado in Vatonia does a lot of damage and took out 16 people. A tornado in St. Louis got up to an EF4 and caused over 50,000 people to be without power, and is the strongest tornado St. Louis has had in the previous 25 years.
George, you alright?
Yeah, sure.
Holy shit. Wow, look at the plane.
This tornado here was a very heavy hitter and was an EF5 that lasted over an hour. It did about $75 million in damage.